fi Evan.
A fi Alex. A heddiw bydd ni'n chwarae Sonic Heroes 2 player. A ar ôl hyn, bydd yn help fawr os bydd chi'n fawtio i pa tîm i storyline i ni gwneud gyntaf. Team Sonic, Team Rose, Team Chaotix neu Team Dark. Mae dewis lan i chi.
Neu Team Edgy, just Shadow ar y ben.
Mae hwnna'n Team Dark.
Yeah, Shadow ar ben y hun yn ba.
Oh my god, mae hwnna'n so amazing.
So, rydyn ni wedi... so
Creating
cyn
game
recordio'r fideo yma, roedd i gyd dwi'n gallu clywed mewn y pen fi na rhyw Sonic Heroes. Two player. Click on 2 player.
Awesome! Mae peth yn just yn symud. Action race.
Okay. Cap.
Or eisiau bod yn... Aww. Shadow. Rwy'n hoffi Shadow.
Okay.
I'm counting on you guys.
Yeah, no. Shadow the Hedgehog. But
Run. Okay. Oh. Hey! Stop. Click o P5. Ti'n really mess lan, oed ti? Seaside Hill. Get to the goal ring before your opponents. Edgy. Where's your border?
All right, let's go.
You'll regret this.
What the?
Haha!
Got it. Got it.
Ha!
Level up. Got it. Good. Got it.
Leave it to me.
Kill.
I'll pick it from here.
Annihilate. Annihilate.
I'll pick it from here. Leave it to me.
Got it.
Leave it to me.
I'll take it from here.
Okay. So, yeah, ni wedi cael tipyn bach yn immersed mewn hwnna.
I'll pick it from here.
So, yeah, ni really eisiau bito each other yn y hyn. So, dwi'n mynd i gwneud home attack arno nhw. Ac wedyn,
Awesome!
dwi'n mynd i mynd ymlaen am bod yn edgelord. Alex, dwi'n mynd i bito ti. Woohoo!
Yes.
Okay. Boom, boom.
Since when, Edgy?
Full edginess mode activates.
Be fwy fyna?
When
Your weakness disgusts me.
Oh, really,
Ha.
Shadow?
yeah, boy. Okay, ti'n gallu bod
Grand
yn...
Metropolis.
Yeah.
My Remember my Metropolis mewn?
Yeah, Metropolis Zone also like 2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And my Grand Metropolis Zone.
So mae'n bigger.
No way we're
Oh,
losing
my
this
hen-
one.
Rwy'n cofio hyn o...
It's not
Fideos
gonna be
rwy'n
easy.
gwylio.
What the?
Wow.
We just a slider across the bed. Hey! Beth yn digwydd?
Annihilate.
Oh, right.
Oh, no way. Sonic win.
Omega.
Level up.
Woo. Oh, I see. Beth ydyn nhw'n fod i gwneud?
Beth ydyn nhw'n gwneud?
Leave it to me.
Beth ydyn nhw'n gwneud?
Not bad. Level up.
Oh, I see.
Ha! I need to
Unlucky
see ya.
Edgy.
No! Edgy mode.
Everybody supersonic racing.
Okay, so ni'n mynd i gwneud mwy supersonic racing. Hey, di ddim eisiau bod yn y Mega.
I'll take it from here.
Pa mynd i fel Shadow yn soundo fel mae'n...
Level up.
Pa mae fel yn Sonic?
I'll take it from here.
Okay.
Listening.
So, ni bron yn actually as hyn as Sonic. Wel, dim 20 fel yr actual Sonic games. Ond mae fel Sonic yn actually fel 16.
No!
Hey,
Yes!
better luck next time.
Sut wyt ti wedi gwneud hynna?
Really just went running around me.
Okay?
The
Pawb mae y
decision.
competition arno. So, pwy bynnag sy'n ennill yr un yma yn cael bragging rights.
Oh, hi. Bingo highway.
Bingo
Bingo
highway.
highway.
So, mae'n just aisle casino zone.
Ain't gonna lose this time.
Power save off.
Mae Tails yn sound...
Mode on.
Mae Tails yn sound fel mae o fel anime neu rhywbeth. Mae grandma fi yn chwarae bingo. Na. Ow. Come on. Boing!
Unlucky, mate.
Unlucky!
Oh, wow!
Sonic!
Team
Whoa, mae
Forever
hyn dipyn
Alone.
bach fel a water slide fel
Wyt ti'n
at
forever
Disney.
alone?
Mae fel un o'r water slides at Disney World. Mae fi wedi mynd mewn
Oh,
am
no
ever.
way. Mae hyn ddim yn digwydd. Ni'n actual... Fi wedi cochi un o'r teammates fi. Os ti'n cochi gyd o'r teammates ti?
Pwy sy'n mynd y gyfer yma?
I'll take it from here.
Here we go.
What? Oh, mae hyn yn so confusing. Team Dark, Team Sonic Heroes, whatever.
Dwi'n mynd fast yna ti. Team Scenic. Pa dwi'n chwarae as Rouge?
I'll take it from here.
I'll take it from here.
Annihilate.
Okay, do somehow
Okay, mae hyn yn just...
Mae Omega! Edrych ar Omega!
Sut ydi yn spin-o? Oh, yeah. Oh, whoa.
Oh, mae hyn yn loads o hwyl.
But, sut?
Oh, ni'n cael stuck. Ni wedi cael dal yn sound. Okay.
Dwi'n gallu chwarae am y dad. Mae teammates fi wedi marw.
Shortcut!
I'm lucky
Ni
now.
angen chwarae pinball nawr.
Yes.
No! No! My Sonic and deserve a win. No!
Yes.
No!
Hey!
Oh, why?
Rydw i wedi ennill.
Rwy'n edgy now. Rwy'n siŵr bod edgelord.
Dwi yn yr edgelord.
Rwy'n Shadow the Hedgehog.
Okay, fine.
Mae runs nhw wedi
Action race. Dwi eisiau bod yn team
chaotics.
Scenic.
I'm counting on you guys.
Affirmative.
Let's blast through with sonic speed.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Ni mynd i dechrau. Nawr.
Rwy'n finally Shadow.
Yep,
Seaside
finally
Hill.
Shadow a nawr mae'n mynd i mynd full edgelord mode. So, mae ddim yn mynd i creu llawer o synwyr ar y camera am tipyn bach o amser.
You'll regret this.
Fi
You'll
ddim yn
regret
regret,
this.
a hefyd dwi'n mynd i beat ti.
Oh, yeah.
Ti wedi regret. Si, am...
Woo!
Woo! Come on! No!
I'll take it from here.
Got it.
Leave it to me.
Got it.
Noodles.
Annihilate.
Level up.
Whee!
All right. I'll take it from here.
Leave it to me.
Here we go. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay, so my...
Here.
Dwi dal yn ennill.
Here we go. I'll take it from here.
Alex, step o'r game ti lan. Mae wedi cymryd lot.
I'll take it from here.
I'll take it from here.
Got it. Got it.
Leave it to me.
I'll take it from here.
Leave it to me.
Good.
Boing! Hey!
Leave it to me.
Here we go.
Leave it to me.
Got it.
I'll take it from here. Yeah. I'll take it from here. I'll take it from here.
Woo! Okay.
Level up. I'll take it from here.
Woohoo! Okay, so... Dwi'n mynd i gadael nhw fyna I roi Alex amser caled.
O na!
Woohoo! Alex, dydy hwnna ddim yn actually mynd I gwneud unrhyw beth oherwydd ti tu ôl I fi.
Good.
Hey guys, better luck next time.
Woo! Yeah, better luck next time, Alex.
Sado.
Sut dwi'n Sado? Dwi'n just wedi ennill.
Well, Gran
Team
Metropolis and
Sado the Hedgehog.
What?
Team Sado the Hedgehog.
Team full of sad thoughts.
Beth! Dwi'n dad Sonic
Power
Pumps.
save off. Full power battle mode on.
Ha!
Have you done him?
It is time for Sonic.
Jedu the Edge Lord.
Yep. Dwi ddim yn cael os ti'n edlod neu na. Alex, ti'n dal yn
Wel,
dal.
Mae hwn yn dal yn dda. O, wyt ti'n gwybod bod ti'n cael fel philometer?
Philometer, beth ydi philometer? Mae'n teimlo tipyn bach fel rhywbeth maen nhw'n mynd I defnyddio fel at McDonald's neu rhywbeth. Sut ydi hyn yn gweithio? Ydi'n destroyo fe? No.
Really? I heard the most ridiculous.
Beth ydy wedi gwneud? O, sut ydy ti'n cael ei gweithio? Ydy just yn destroyer I gyd o'r enemies?
Yeah.
Okay.
Level up.
Diolch. Am ddweud hwnna ar I fi. Dwi'n mynd I defnyddio'r tip yna ar I fi ta ti nawr. Mae'n mynd I ennill rhywun yma.
Oherwydd awesome.
Ti ddim yn awesome.
Whee! Oh my god!
Ha!
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Oh no way!
Yep, dwi wedi beat o ti.
Oh.
Dwi bron wedi beat o ti. Dwi jyst angen cael I diwedd. Smash o'r ffenest. Red egg.
Hey guys, better luck next time.
Hey guys, Ben.
Yeah, better luck next time, Alex. Okay.
Seaside, hey, seaside, hey.
Oh no, mae'n mynd I gwneud cringy song o dan. Let's see how... Os mae...
You'll regret.
Yeah,
Os mae
team
Yuji...
regret
Os mae Yuji Naka, y creator o Sonic yn gwylio hyn, efallai bydd e'n creu cringy song amdano Seaside Hill. So, gwylio beth ti'n dweud, Alex.
No! Rhaid angen y power up.
I'll take it from
Woo!
Level up. Yes.
Alright.
Okay, ti eisiau... So yeah, ni'n chwarae Sonic lot ar y bus lan i'r ysgol.
Leave it to me.
Hey! Ti ddim yn gallu gwneud hynna. Mae against the... Ti... actually. There's such thing as fel free edgy so yeah, oh yeah, dwi just wedi realise hynna. Os ti'n edrych ar y gwaelod, bydd chi'n gweld bod mae'n dweud fel pwy sy'n ble. Rydw i'n ennill oherwydd dwi'n totally awesome. Ac mae Alex tipyn bach tu ôl. Mae dal yn redeg though. Did he yna'n gwneud?
Woo! Oh, no way! We're in Kelp more powers now.
Consumer models.
Be, ti'n cael mwy o powers?
Woo! Hang on, we should trio him.
Okay.
We're born in Kelp.
Gweld ti a finish line, Alex? Whee! Diolch am take o mas popeth i fi. Dwi'n mynd i gadael nawr.
Wait, hang on.
Hey guys.
Evan!
Next time.
Fi eisiau dyna fi o superpower fi.
Alright, ti ddim wedi dweud.
O fi wedi, ti'n just yn re-edgy.
Oh yeah, fel mae Sonic yn edgy.
Yeah. Rwy'n Android, cofio.
Na, ti ddim yn Android, ti jyst yn Shadow. Oherwydd, mae Android yn fel Samsung Galaxy.
Power save
Oh,
on.
ti'n really dull.
Power battle
Like
mode
ti.
on.
Right, so sit and wait for him.
Not bad.
So they can take off his mask. Just in smash away. Okay. Okay, mae hwnna wedi... Na, mae wedi mynd.
Yes.
Dwi wedi cael hidden rings, so yeah. Gwelwch chi. Gwelwch chi fo. Na, ti'n mouse tu ôl i fi. Woo!
Level up.
Okay. Hello. Sana. I'm sorry, Sana Cattle. Woo!
Hey guys.
Ah!
Better luck next
Stop
time.
your hynna.
Alright, fine.
Ti'n such a
Stop your...
sado.
Be, stop your edit.
Ti'n such a sado. Ti'n... Rwy'n ddim yn really hoffi o controls hyn.
Newid nhw ta.
Can't be bothered.
Ie, ti ddim yn gallu bod.
You'll regret this.
Yeah, fi ti'n regret o hynna.
Ti ddim yn regret oherwydd.
Yeah.
Na, dwi ddim oherwydd dwi'n byd o ti.
Yes. Got it.
Okay.
Got it.
Na, dwi yn bod yn sen.
Level up.
Rwy'n...
So yeah, ni
Yeah.
gwneud cofio y highway level yma. Cofio pan o'n i ar y chwaith yn ôl gyda'i gilydd. So, gyda saws ni. Ah! I'm just a bullying. I'm just in plain bullying. Dwi'n gofyn ar Alex. Dwi'n smash.
Rwy'n just wedi glitio.
Oh! Dwi just wedi mynd mewn i'r box. Come on. Oh right, need right. Okay.
Annihilate. I'll take it from here.
That would be
Kill.
smashed.
Come on.
Ah, being miles behind T.
Finally.
Says Trimaster superpowers T. I would give me the crossover first when I saw the
Level up.
Level up. R-E.
R.E.
Horse control. Oh my god, my honey. Turbo blast. Have you already done have your team blast?
O, sut ti'n defnyddio hwnna?
R-E. Pam ti'n cael y bo hynna lan.
Come on. So, hwnna'n fe am y playthrough ni. Ni jyst-
Your weakness disgusts
So, cofio,
Os ti eisiau gweld team matchups, gadael ni gwybod.
neu os ti eisiau dewis stori, dewis un o'r tîmau nawr, a bydd
A
ni'n
bydd
gweld
ni-
ti mewn y fideo nesaf gyda un ti wedi dewis.
Okay?
See ya!
Bye.